good day everyone. How are you all today? My name is Hussain and I'm back again to bring you all this week review. Welcome to another week. Today is 14th of September and we will be here to bring you all some of the weekly updates, how we are going to position ourselves, and also what are the major events actually that will be impacting in the financial markets. This week we have got major market movers this week. First of all, we have got Fed policy meeting minutes, whereby the Fed, which wraps up its 2 days policy meeting on Wednesday, is expected to make some minor adjustment to the language in its state statement after it adopted a new approach last month to the meeting. It's into of 2% inflation target. So the Fed decision is to tolerate the periods of higher inflation effectively means that interest rates will remain lower for the longer term. The Fed will also update its projections for the economic and interest rate outlook, known as the dot plot, which will include forecasts for 2023 for the first time. I think the 2023 for dots for the first time, it's going to be stating at said once everybody that is actually looking at, and we will be looking at it, right, said by John Hill, and interest rate strategist at BMO Capital Markets. So the Fed Chair Jerome Powell said earlier this month that while the central bank will keep its foot on the monetary policy gas, lawmakers are also needed to help with the recovery relief. So making the absence of a new fiscal policy package an increasingly worry of the development for some investors. Alright. Then on the other hand, we have got US retail sales coming up, right, ahead of Fed announcement, so which will be on Wednesday. The US is set to release also the numbers for the August. So the consensus forecast is that an increase of 1% month over month, and the data will give an important insight into when the expiration of enhanced unemployment benefits at the end of July hit consumer spending or not. So market participants will be also watching Thursday's data on we have got, which is initial jobless claims, right? So the new numbers of the new claims for unemployment benefits hovered at elevated levels, right, which what actually happened last week. So suggesting that the labor market recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic was stalling as government financial aid to business and the unemployed dries up. Other than that, we also have got we're looking at some stock market volatility. If you see that we will be seeing more developments, or stock investors actually also a little bit worried about the last week market volatility, which could be a correction, and usually this happens in every September of the year, right? But other investors also view that recent slump is as a healthy consolidation after a stunning 5 months rally in the S&P 500. So it could be a bit of retracement before it could find its way back to the upside, right? So since I have got Dow Jones Industrial Average right in front of me, as you see that we have forecasted this before, overall it still remains in this channel, right? So how are we going to position ourselves? So I see the current pattern that has been developed on Dow Jones here. We got to see Dow Jones Industrial Average to break this particular resistance and then find its way to the upside, right? So because from here, if you try to understand from here, it has been acting as some sort of a descending triangle, but multiple times it has tested these levels, right? The price drops here. Let me just draw it for you so you get to understand it better. So here you go. So for this week, actually Dow failed to rally to the upside, right? But now it is again, so from here up and down, then from here up and down. Now here it did go down. Now again it is heading back towards this pattern, right? So now we need to see a breakout from here. Okay, once that break happen, then the direction is going to be to the upside. All right, so now we got to wait and see, because from here it can also rebound back and perhaps play around these levels, right? But we got to wait and see. As soon as the price goes out of from here, then the Dow will be running. But we still see that there's more possibility for this to go upside, because when we look at the price action analysis on H4 type, it is in an uptrend and the price has been remaining above this. So let's see, once it goes out from this zone, we will have a clear direction for Dow to rally to the upside, right? Technology stocks, as you see that we had the update on here somewhere on, it has supposed to go up, the buy zone, alright? So the price is remaining in between, and I see that yeah, there is a very much likelihood that this week it will be turning up to the upside, right? So hold on guys, it's still a bullish trend, don't worry about it, right? Facebook is actually falling back to the H4 support level in the rising uptrend, right? So any market will have to have correction, any market will have to have retracement, right? So I see that it has potential to rally, maybe come down a bit more, and then find its way to the upside. Okay, that's what we are seeing on that. Anyways, we'll be having a lot more development happening this week. So guys, that's not only the end. We just started our week, and as you see that we have got London session coming up tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Thursday we will be live and scanning the whole market for you all, so that you will be able to find some potential opportunities. Euro USD, and I see that for the Euro USD, because for the last week we had a bit of we have also got Brexit going on. They have many of the fireworks coming out from the Brexit, with the government is beginning to debate the internal market bill on Wednesday, right? And then also for last week, as I mentioned, the European Central Bank said that a stronger euro is not yet a concern, right? But it, along with its peer in the UK and also the Japan. So you see, we have got a lot of events actually going on from the previous week, which will be also still having an impact this week. So I see that euro is going, it should fall, right? Why am I saying it should fall? Because basing on the price action, right? Because from here, if you see, this is what I see, that it should actually come down from, this has been, see from here, and also at least it should fall back to this week all the way back to here. Okay, so this is what I see for Euro USD. Try to understand the price action. Okay, and other than that, we have got actually tons of here you go. So yeah, so we have let's say for GBP USD had a major fall, and actually see that this is what we have forecasted last week. This week probably this could be a little bit of pullback, and then it will be coming back down, because you see here it is developing a downtrend, and then on this downtrend we will be looking for more sell opportunities on this, right? However, we will keep you informed on our London sessions. Don't forget to join. Right guys, so I see that's all for the week. We have got, as I mentioned earlier, the development of the price section, the structure just started. Today's Monday. Alright, we'll be back again tomorrow at our live London session forecast, whereby we'll sit together and scan out the whole market. So for now, I will be signing off, and I wish you guys all the best in your this week, and have a great profitable week. And should you need any questions, should you need any support, or do you have any questions, do refer to our managers. We'll be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much, and have a great trading.